Okay, I wanted to take just a minute to show you the kind of damage that can happen whenever you are repeatedly and over an extended period of time unkind to your batteries. Now, this battery came out of one of my cars whenever it got too weak to start the car, so it was already not in great shape. And again, I just use my batteries to help keep voltage under control. I'm not using them to store power, and I'm also not using any kind of a controller to limit the voltage in or to stop voltage going out. And this is the result. And of course, what happened is this built up gas inside because it got hot. It got hot enough to ignite the gas, and it blew out all the cells. And it exploded. Now, you'll hear about electronic components. People will say something blew up, and usually what they mean is it just let a little bit of a magic smoke out. That's not what happened here. What happened here was a very literal explosion. Each cell went off, and this end of the battery particularly sent shrapnel all over my shop. I showed that in the other video. Stuff stuck in the ceiling, in the walls, and all over the floor. So, if you're not careful, this is what you can look forward to. This is also a good example of why, even if you're taking good care of your batteries, you should make sure that they are in a location that if something terrible happens, they won't damage anything else. Make sure that they're not near stuff that can burn easily. Make sure that they're well ventilated, and take care of them. So, yeah, like I said, I just wanted you guys to see up close exactly how much of a wreck this was. Alright, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys.